Well, it's like 7:30 in the morning here, and I am out at the pit. Get my lunchbox up on the dozer here. I'm pushing this pile way over to there. So I'm just got here, getting everything ready to go. Gonna be on this the vast majority of the day, and then on to moving some equipment. My hat is way off now. Look at that. I really need to have it rebent. I haven't taken very good care of it the last little bit, and the this part's way off center now. Kept getting it trapped in places, but hey, I wear it for shade, not for looks. So we're digging this black rock out, piling it here with the sanding. Then I'm pushing this black rock over the side because we're going to backfill the topsoil out of the undercut up against this wall over here. And we're gonna layer the topsoil in here to be able to use later. So the brown dirt's getting stacked there. The black shale is getting stacked there because that's what you want. That's the good stuff. So we can use it later. So right now we're sorting, classifying, and then moving. So we got the little baby 3, and the little baby 3 is having to do all this pushing. Wish we had the 5 or the 6. This would go a lot faster. But we'll get this thing warmed up and get to work. Well, I spent most of the day on the morning on the dozer. I didn't take any video. Well, I took some video, but I didn't take, I deleted it by accident when I was trying to delete one of the old clips. So I didn't take any video. Now we're gonna drop the kennel hitch here, because this trailer's about half loaded with just rock. So we're just gonna dump it, but we used it to pull the haul truck out. The haul truck is stuck right there. So if you watched yesterday's vlog, we loaded this up enough to be able to get enough traction to yank that thing out. So now I'm just gonna drop it real quick. We'll go dump this load, then we'll come back and get the trailer, and then go get the 140 Doosan and take to Clarksville. So it's been a relatively boring day, and I wish I would have took some more video on the dozer, but I didn't. So you guys can picture that. My back's starting to go out. So we used the haul truck to haul a truck, which is my truck. I don't want to drive back over to where it was at and then drive back over there and go get it. So I decided to load it up on the low boy. And this low boy had to come back to the office, and then I got to pick up the first axle anyways. So I figured I might as well just do all this, see what it took to chain down the truck. There's a couple different ways to do it. You need a couple more short chains though. It would have really helped on this. But we got it here. So now we're gonna unhook from the trailer and drive it off. And that's how you hook and unhook. Now I'm just letting the trailer air back up. We'll go park it in its spot. Man, it's 5:20 and it's already dark. A lot darker than what appears in the camera. The camera ISO will shoot up and make it look a lot lighter, but it's already getting down in the twilight. Crazy to think, one time change and bam, it's already dark. But I am headed home. Was on the dozer this morning. Got the rest of that pit kind of done and pushed over and cleaned up. And then I went and moved the 140 to the Clarksville job, which is going to be a hotel demo. And then here, let me whoa, that's bright. I gotta put my cover on this. I got a diffuser for this light, and that's, wow, that's bright. That's high. That's blink. That's low. Jesus. This is a light that came with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. And this, with the diffuser on, it's relatively doable. But that's still pretty bright in my eyes. If I take the diffuser off, it's just like, good God. Way too bright. But I am, got the 140 moved to like Clarksville demo job. You'll be seeing quite a bit of that in the next couple of days. And then, the Atkins job is I believe is kicked off, or it's kicking off tomorrow. And then I'm headed home, go eat some dinner. Ashley went with me all day, or for the half of a day, and all we did was fight and argue and getting real tired of it. nature of it, though. I wish I could just have some peace, especially with her. It's very annoying. But she went with me and kind of gave me a hand. And now I can head home and eat, relax a little bit. Worked a 14-hour day yesterday and be able to get off on time today. Then tomorrow should be pretty busy. Our part-time guy, he works every other week. He's going to be here tomorrow. And then Josh is starting on Monday. And Randy's going to start in 2 weeks, I think. Or something like that. I have to see how that works out. Don't know yet. We need him. We're getting ready to really start running around in circles like crazy. So, see how all that goes. Not too far away from home. A couple of miles. Dinner, computer work, early bed, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings.